In today's video, we're unboxing and reviewing a budget-friendly yet very useful product, the Portronics Power Plate 10. This is a 4-socket extension board with a power capacity of 1500 watts and comes with a 3-meter long cable. The box looks nice, and right on the front it mentions features like a 3M cable and short circuit protection, which is great for safety. Now let's open up the box and take a closer look at what's inside. After unboxing, the first thing I noticed is that the board has 4 universal plug sockets and also includes a fuse for added protection. The build quality feels good in hand, and the cable is thick enough to carry power safely, which is very important for high load devices. One funny thing I saw was that each socket is labeled with names like computer, monitor, and printer and speaker. I'm not exactly sure why they did that, because you can use any socket for any device, but still, it adds a quirky touch. On the back side of the board, and there are 2 holes that I believe are meant for hanging or mounting the extension on a wall. This can be helpful if you want to fix it in a particular spot. However, I did notice that the plastic joints where the parts are connected don't look very premium. You can clearly see some finishing issues which give a bit of a cheap feel to the build in some areas. There's also a power button on the board which allows the user to manually switch the board on or off. Right next to it, there's a power indicator light that turns on when the board is active. This small feature is especially useful in dark rooms, so you can easily know whether the board is on or off just by seeing the light. Now talking about the cord, it claims to be 3 meters long, but when I actually measured it, it was around 280 centimeters only. So unfortunately, it didn't reach as far as I needed it to. If the cord had been 5 meters, it would have been perfect for my use. But overall, I still like the product. It performs well, looks decent, and has all the basic safety features you'd want in a power strip. So if you're planning to buy this product, I would say go ahead. For the price, it offers good value and functionality. I've added the purchase link in the description below, so feel free to check it out.